apartment by installing a new electrical panel and all the connections, breakers and everything that's needed. Current code requirement is having 2 grounds, so we have one here and the second ground connection right here. These 2 walls will be removed so that we can do an open space living room and kitchen, and also a pocket door towards the bedroom. We're removing the cabinets, and what was a kitchen before, it will be now a bedroom. So up until now, this space is being a bedroom, and now here is where we're gonna have the kitchen and living room together in an open space. We will be removing the tub, the little closet in there, and we'll put a shower and a linen closet in there. Today we finished opening all walls and ceiling here in the garage apartment. One of the things we noticed is that there's no continuation of this hard flooring into this area of the house. So it's a good opportunity to probably put vinyl all over. We also are gonna have to fill this up where the wall was before. The other thing we notice is that these studs are supporting those rafters here, so as these guys. So it might be safer if we put a 2x10 or 2x12, something like that, so that we can remove these and this guy here, and we'll put our wall with a pocket door. And that's it for this week. Next week we're going to start with the plumbing, the AC and the electrical part as well. Thank you, and see you next time.